My blue hair and PJs.
Those fake pooping dogs.
Have you ever seen a bluegill? This is compared to my hand.
Holy cow, Angelina! Jacob!
Hi friends, welcome back to day 2 of our vacation here in Eagle River, Wisconsin. Today we are fishing on the chain of lakes. This is the longest chain of lakes in the world. They just, like the word says, they chain. So you can go from one to the next, and there are some really great fishing spots along this route. So we're so excited to have you with us today. We have rented the pontoon boat. This is the fishing version of the pontoon boat. So we've got a trolling motor, we've got a cooler for fish if we decide to keep some. It's gonna be a really great day. We have looked forward to this day for quite some time. Even in the winter, we're counting down to this exact date and time. So come along with us today. We are going to have a lot of fun and hopefully we'll be catching a lot of fish. Big ones. And just like that, we're off. We're here, we're at our island. I'm jumping off. Oh, this place is so cool. It is a little island that we found up in the chain of lakes, and it's really neat. They've got a fire pit at the end for people to use. We bring our own wood and our own food. We'll do s'mores and things like that too here. But the girls, so Alessandra and Liliana, they don't love to fish the same way the rest of us do. I mean, they like it, but they just get bored being on a boat for 8-9 hours. So we stop here and they like to build their little fairy houses. They have a really good time exploring. There's my girl.
Hi.
Hi.
We're gonna check if our fairy house is still here from last time.
So yeah, this is our first adventure, and I'll take you around a little bit so you can see too. What'd you find, Lil?
We're checking if our fairy house is still here from last time.
And is it?
We don't know. I thought it was on this side, but it's actually on the other.
Okay. We're gonna go to the other end.
If it's still there, I'm gonna use these pieces of bark to build like a little house.
Very clever. Very creative. That's gonna be the roof.
Yeah, probably. And we think that this is a great little spot right there because there's like logs making a little base for the house. And this will be
Probably.
Yeah, remember when I caught this? Yeah. What's this thing? Burn, baby. I'm just letting it burn. Yes, and I'm watching this one. Look at him. Bye-bye, fishy. He's under the boat.
Good catch. Thank you.
I got one.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Bass. Lily, look at that. Oh my goodness, your first fish.
That's a big fish.
Good job, cutie.
Oh my goodness.
He's big. Wow.
That is her very first fish all on her own. That is excellent, Liliana. And look how pretty this bluegill is.
Jacob,
That
look
for a
at
second so you can see. This is a panfish. And some of them are just kind of brown, but this guy is absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna let him go back in so we can catch some more.
Turn him so I can see him.
You're okay. You're okay. Hold him up.
Look at Daddy.
Awesome, Lil. Okay, go ahead and throw him back.
No, Jacob. Mommy, there's bald eagle nest up there.
Where, honey?
Right there.
Oh, in that tree. Oh my gosh, and the bald eagle is there. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that nest is giant. That nest is probably 15 feet wide. That's incredible. Well, there is a reason that they call it Eagle River, Wisconsin, because there are a lot of eagles here. We've seen so many over the years, it's just insane. But Jacob is right, there is one right there in that nest, and we saw a couple swooping around looking for some food earlier. It was really cool. They are just beautiful, majestic birds. So hopefully we'll see one even more up close, and I'd love to be able to show you that too.
Have you ever seen a bluegill? This is compared to my hand.
Holy cow, Angelina. Jacob.
What is this?
I didn't know
It's a
bluegill
perch.
got this big.
It's a big perch. Ouch.
That's a
Oh
huge.
yeah, they hurt.
I didn't know they got that big.
Good job.
Well, hello there. I've caught one of my favorite fish. This is a northern pike. This, believe it or not, is just a baby. They get to be really, really big, taller than me. But it was a really fun catch. We were just drifting over some weeds. Rob found a spot for us that the wind is just going right over the island, so we're just going down the coast and found this guy, which was really, really, really fun. So super excited.
Hey guys, just caught my first fish of the day, finally. Nice perch.
The captain gets a fish.
Captain gets a fish, that's right.
He's pretty.
Well, friends, as you can see, we have had a fantastic day here on the chain of lakes in Eagle River, Wisconsin. We saw a bald eagle. We saw some geese with their sweet little babies. We saw a turtle. Oh my goodness, just so much stuff, and it was such a great day. The kids are exhausted. Angelina's taking a nap on my lap as we make it all the way back to our little condo. Rob is guiding us all the way back. But as you can see, the kids are tired. They've had it. Thanks so much for following along with us today. We had a great time and we hope that you enjoyed it too. We'll see you next time on Sheena's Homestead. Bye.